Hey everyone, it's Neon. Check out what I got here. I have this. It's a clock. It says it's a digital kitchen timer magnet something. So we're going to check this thing out here. The time is, that's funny, 60, oh, 9:59, 9:59. Haha, when I look at it upside down, it's 6:65, 65, 6. But okay, let's check this thing out. Kind of funny that they picked those numbers for it. So let's open this up and see what we got. Who's it by? I don't know. It doesn't say. Does it say what company? Doesn't say. Oh well. So let's check this out here and see what we got. So it comes with a charger that is USB to USB-C. So that's cool. So it's got USB-C, and here is what it looks like. So this is it here. This is the little instructions for it. See that? I guess if you need it, you can pause it and zoom in. And that as well. There it is. So it's a multifunctional LED timer. So let's check this out here. And I'll take off the sticker. So that's what it is here. So let's see, how do I turn this thing on? So, I don't know. Let's see. Here we go, power saving on. Oh, and there it is, it's on. So now if I want to say I want to do it for 1 minute and then start, there, now we have a 1 minute timer. So that was about the easiest thing to set up I could find. It just worked. I didn't even read an instruction. So there we go. So if you want to do a countdown timer, that is definitely the way to go. I'm trying to think if we do. Oh, let's see. Did it turn off? Probably ran out of battery. Oh, no, it's still going. Oh, here, the different lighting sections here. So you can see on the side, there's the different button. So I guess that's a vibrate mode, sound mode. So depending on what you want there. And then up here on this side here, see I put it on power saving. So there's power saving mode and then just stay on mode. So if I leave it on the stay on mode, then it'll just stay the light will stay on. So there we go. Let's see there. Oh, that goes a little dimmer. Get dimmer between that thing there. It's like the dimmer light. So pretty cool. And then on the top we have hour, minute, second, and clear. So we can clear it. So oh, there's the timer. Oh, and that is loud. Okay, so there I hit clear. So let me clear it. And now if I just hit start, it's going to be a count up timer. See, pretty much figured that one out. So there we go, 5, 6, 7. So we can just do a count up timer by just clicking start. So this is about the most simple, easiest one to use. And it looks like it's got a little stand here, so I can pull this out and then it'll stand up if I just put it on top of something here. There we go, I'm going to stand there. And then it's got magnets, so I can stick it onto the fridge. And it's got a little hook there, so I could nail it on and hang it on from a nail. So it's very good. 3 different ways of connecting it up. And then there's the charger there. And that's about everything. So that's pretty cool. Pretty easy to do. So I had it on the super loud mode. So if I would put it on vibrate mode, then it'll probably just vibrate when the timer went down. So if I stop the timer, oh, now it's counting down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's over. Oh, and there's vibrating. So there we go. So, and then I can hit stop. And there it is. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to say this is very nice, very easy. And that's where the speaker comes out, I guess. And that's the thing. So you can see the brightness there. It's like a little bit bright. Or no, but this one here. So there, it's off, a little bit brighter. And then that is power saving if it's up at the top. So that means it'll stay on and then it'll turn itself off after a few seconds. But it'll still keep timing. So very cool. So I'm going to say this is a very nice, it's by Sam Show, obviously, Sam Show. So that's it. So very cool. Cool little device. That's how it works. So thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.